Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1 to the power of 2, capital B over s minus 1, capital cs plus d over s squared plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we need to have two fractions, and we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. About this one, we have the highest power is about s squared, so the highest power on numerator, that should be about number 2 minus 1, and then we need to reduce the power on numerator. And now we can do common denominator. So about this one, capital A should multiply by s squared plus 1 because they missing about s squared plus 1 in here. And capital B multiply by s minus 1 and s squared plus 1. Similar for the next one, this one they missing about s minus 1 to the power of 2. So cs plus d multiplied by s minus 1 square. And then we put the denominator go in here. Now we need to expand. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s to the power of 3, we have b and c. About s squared, we have a, negative b, negative 2c, and d. About s, we have b plus c minus 2d. About the number, we have a minus b and d. And now we compare coefficients in here. That's about on numerator. We don't have s to the power of 3, so b plus c equals to number 0. We have s squared. Coefficient of this one, you got about number 1. So this one in here should be equals to number 1. And this one should be equals to negative number 2. And this one should be equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So we have b plus c equals to number 0, a minus b minus 2c plus d equals to number 1, b plus c minus 2d equals to negative number 2. And the next one, a minus b plus d equals to negative number 1. And now we need to find the solution of a, b, c, d. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 1, c equals to negative number 1, d equals to number 1. So we put the value a, b, c, d go in here. And then we put the integration goal here. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 1, c equals to negative number 1, and d equals to positive number 1. So about this one, I can put into negative s over s squared plus 1, and we have 1 over s squared plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over s minus 1. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And the last one, that should be about all time of s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.